Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store and Store app not working in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all the first method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your systems setup section, click on troubleshoot, go to your other troubleshooter, scroll down, and Windows Store apps. So click on run it. Close it. The second method is that in this going to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app section, click on apps and features. In the search bar type store, go to your Microsoft Store, click on it, go to your advanced options, scroll down. First of all, click on a terminate. After that, click on repair. Click on reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a PowerShell. Open a Windows PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After doing this step, copy the command which is available into the video description and paste it. This command available in video description and press enter. After completing that, type exit and exit the PowerShell, and after that restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a last method. Okay, guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine, and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.